Hi everyone, greetings of the days. Today I have made tutorial video to explain the EPC project cost reports and breakdowns that I ever posted on LinkedIn. You could check this program there. Well, let me review this program. This program consists of 6 worksheets, starting from entry section, okay, as seen on the screen here, as well as home or head office project cost table here. This is for 1 year project operation starting from January 2022 till December 2022. Okay, yes. And side office project cost table. This is also for 1 year project operation starting from January 2022 till December 2022. Okay. Also, this program generates 4 project cost report starting from project cost control report and then project cost cash flow report here, yes, project cost balance, and the last one is project cost breakdowns. Let me review this project cost report one by one. We back again to project cost control report. In this section, you will see the project contract here and the budget plan here. Actually, you should input both of them manually, but don't worry, I have made a link for these data already, so the data has filled automatically. And costs incurred during the project, they divided into 2 sections between home office and side office. Home office divided for previous month, last month, this month, to date. Side office also divided for previous month, last month, this month, and to date. In the right section, you will see remaining costs to the budget plan, remaining costs to the budget plan, and remaining costs to contract. Okay. Cash flow. In this project cash flow, you will see project cost per month. Yes, project cost per month. Yes. Between plans against actual for 1 year project operation, represented by the numbers starting from 1 till 12. Okay. In the below section, you will see cash out schedule, total cash out schedule, total cash out actual, total cash in schedule, net progress payment, and balance. Means net progress payments plus project loans and minus cash out actual. Also, this section equipped with project cash flow curve, which are interpretation and showing the project cash flow into a curve. Okay, then any project cost balance, In this section, you will see the comparison between paid progress billing, paid progress billing, between paid progress billing and the project cost incurred during the project. Yes, that represented in the total and in a percent. Also, it's balance. Yes, also it's balance. And project cost breakdown. Yes, in this section, you will see the comparison between budget plan here and the project cost incurred during this project, that divided into 2 classifications. Yes, between side office here, yes, and home office here, yes, for 1 year project operation. Now, we will check how to operate this project cost program. We back again to entry section. Okay. To operate this program, you only need to input all project costs incurred during this project. But don't forget to complete with ordered number, month of transaction, project cost location in the form of letter ST means site office project cost, HO means home office project cost, also project cost code in the form of letter starting from A, that stand for material and consumable, B stand for direct labor, C stand for equipment, and so on until S that stand for bank interest. Let's practice it. Okay, since this table, as seen on the screen, already fills with some data, first let us make this section empty. Okay, then this section is empty already. First of all, let's look at the total number in this entry section. Because there is no data fields in this section, then the total number in this section should also be empty or 0. Let me check. Okay, you can see here the total project expenditure for this project is in empty or 0. Okay, then we will check all project cost report one by one. First, we check the project cost control report. Yes, there is no data here. Yes, it's turned out that the project cost data is empty or 0. You could see here, yes, there is no data for project cost expenditure. Then project cash flow. Yes, it is the same for the actual cost is in the empty condition also. And the last one, and for project cost balance. Yes, project cost balance here. Yes, you could see in the right section. Yeah, there is no project cost data. Okay, then the last one for project cost breakdown. Here's okay. There is no data also. There is all section is in empty or 0. Then we back again to entry section. Alright, then we build this entry section again with the project cost data that we previously needed. Next, we check the total amount of project cost expenditure in this entry section. Okay. Okay, and the total project cost is 879,757,215 rupees. Then we check one by one all project cost report whether the amount is the same or not as in this entry section. Okay. First, let me check the project cost control report. Okay. And it turned out, okay, it turned out, okay, this is the total project expenditure in this section. So it turned out that the amount is the same also, 879,757,215 rupees. Then project cash flow. Okay, project cash flow. This is the total cash out, and it turned out that the amount is also the same, 879,757 and 215 rupees. Next, project cost balance. Okay, this is the total project cost expenditure. So the amount is also the same, 879,757,215 rupees. And this is same also for the project cost breakdown. Yes, project cost breakdown. The total overall project cost is 879,757,215. Okay. Okay. From these facts, it can be said that all project cost reports in this program are in synchronous with each other. And it shows that all sections in this program are operating properly with no errors. The project cost data in this program is only inputted, till May during the project operation. This is purposive sample only, where the actual project cost will be as your project nature. Okay. Okay. I inform you, this program is specifically for construction project on large scale. You can see in this entry section. Yes. Okay. In this entry section. Okay. Yes. It's cover up to 30,000 transactions, or equivalent to 2,500 transactions per month, or equivalent to 100 transactions per day for 25 working days. I remind you that this program requires a separate PC or laptop with high capabilities, so that this program doesn't run slowly. Okay. I want to show a unique section of this program, which is in the project cost control report. Okay, here. Okay. I will show you the unique of this program. If you want to know your project expense in a previous month, because in this project operation we only input the project cost data till May. So if you want to know project cost expenditure in the month of April, you only need to change this number in this month of section. Then all your project expense will show expense in April. Okay, for example, you change this by the number 4. Sorry, yes. Okay, so the total project expenditure is in April, and so on. If you want to know action project cost report in March, and you just type the section by 3. Okay, then all section will turn out and notify project cost expenditure is in March. Okay, and so on. Okay, and I will type again this by 5, yes, to back the data in the project cost report data in the month of May. Okay. Okay. Furthermore, yes, furthermore, you will easily find out if there are remaining costs that are minus or exceeding the contract, or plans that the number will appear in red color. For example, you could see here, yes, this is showing in a red color. Okay, so what does it mean? Means you have to immediately discuss these cases with your project management team to immediately find out what the cause is by tracking the expense section and immediately find out solution. Okay, this program could be updated for next year period. This program could be updated for next year period project operations. Means this program shall be valid forever. Okay, this my explanation for this project cost program. I hope you all understand and now how to operate it, or if something is still unclear, or if you have any question regarding to the project cost program, please contact me by email at imranamami@gmail.com or direct message DM me through LinkedIn message. Hopefully this project cost program is useful, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so that my YouTube channel can grow properly. So I am excited to continue sharing my knowledge and experience in this construction world. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.